Original documentary chronicling Saquon Barkley's remarkable first year in Philadelphia and a rare look back at his past 5 years in the NFL. Saquon, watching now, only on Prime. The Liberty on this night when it's 61 degrees.
A better field position. 3 drives. They've started inside their own 15-yard line.
They're ready to eat. Look at this one. She is not playing. She is ready to eat, y'all. So they finished it. Seemed a little too watery, but it's supposed to be legging with crab. I don't see any crab that I can see. Yeah, that motherfucker ain't gonna get. Why is that girl say we had crab? Look, no crab. And then this restaurant like a goddamn club. So you come in, you gotta get pat down and all. Caught me off guard. But all of this came up to $40, $20 each. That's what we got. I forgot the name of it. Here's the restaurant, Barney Kitchen. Where the address at? Oh shit.